Okay, so check this out right over here. We're going to be doing a unboxing review and test on the 7-watt indoor spotlights that we're going to be doing a unboxing review and test on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we're going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review and test, we're going to open everything up, show you guys what you get inside, and from there we are going to assemble it as well too. And from there we're going to show you guys the finished results. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. Okay, so without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. So right over here, we get our remote control, which is right over here, our RF wireless remote control. And right over here, the batteries are not included, so that's something to keep in mind. Right over here, we get the hardware to install it, so you could probably like mount it onto a wall as well too. So it's your preference and choice on how you want to mount it. And this is indoors, so that is something to keep in mind as well too. And these are our spotlights that are right over here, which we got a Allen head key, which is right over here. It comes with that as well too. That fell down, but we have it right over here. So this, that's what you need to install it. And right over here, we get our spotlights themselves, which is right over here. You can see it comes with the outlet to plug it in for your indoors. And right over here, we get the other one as well too. But what we're gonna do now is that we're going to, install it, mount it up. And from there, I am then going to show you guys the finished results when I have it mounted on. So without going further, let's install it, and then after that I'll get back to you and show you guys the finished results. Okay, so check out the finished results, and I absolutely love this product. It completely changed the entire appearance to my living room, and it made it to like an entertainment room, and you can see how beautiful these colors are. It comes with this RF wireless remote control, which is right over here, so you could change the dynamic colors. And I do also want to say that it comes with 16 static colors and 4 level brightness, and also comes with the memory function as well too, so it will remember where it left off. 4 dynamic modes as well too, and also a 5,000 hours of lifespan as well too. And also you can see the remote control that I have right over here. So we're gonna go play with this and show you guys the different colors. So right over here, you could have it set to a solid color, so you can have like on red, you could have it on to RGB, green, blue, that you can see here. And right over here, you can see the different dynamics. So we are going to change it to like a flash color. So we're gonna click on this to show you guys the different colors. And you can see, you could also adjust the speed level as well too. You can see as I'm pressing it, it's gonna go fast as well too. It could give that RGB color, which looks really cool, especially during like Christmas time. And right over here, you could have it to different fade options as well too. So I love this feature right over here. The fade option looks absolutely beautiful. It gives that cool vibe that you can see here. And then right over here, we also get a smooth button as well too. So let's see what that does. You can see it changes a little bit of a different transition to different RGB colors that you can see here. And you can also speed it up. You can slow it down as well too. So if I'm hitting this button right over here, you can slow down the colors just like that. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it completely changed the entire appearance to my living room. And it made that entertainment room vibe, and looks really cool, and it has a 16 static colors as well too. So if you're looking way to change the entire appearance to your living room and your entertainment room, then this product right over here is by far one of the best products to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.